Good morning. Today we are having press conference to tell you about 5 guarantees promised by Congress party under Nari Nyay. We have present Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress President Ms. Bina Shantaram Naik, my right, Jean Dias TV Block President, Vinika Arorkar Marmogua Block President, my left, Lakshmi Chauhan, Sholay Block President, Maula Rodriguez, General Secretary of Vasco Block, myself, Alinda Lacerda, Kepe Block President. Now I request Mrs. Bina Naik will brief you about Nari Nyay guarantees.
Very good morning to all of you, and thanks for coming this morning. As Arlinda has already said, our leaders, Mr. Kharge ji, the AICC President, Rahul ji, plus Madam Sonia Gandhi ji, they always think about the welfare of women and how women can be brought in the forefront. This time, our leader Kharge ji and Rahul ji, they have promised 5 guarantees under Nari Nyay. Now, under Nari Nyay, these are the 5 guarantees which they have promised under Nari Nyay. First one is Mahalakshmi guarantee. Second one, Adi Abadi Pura Hak. Kaam bhi, third guarantee, Kaam bhi, Sanman bhi. Fourth, Adhikar Maitri. And the fifth, Savitri Bai Phule hostels for ladies. Now, to go into detail, I'll just brief you what exactly Congress party intends to give under these guarantees. First guarantee is Mahalakshmi guarantee. Congress party will transfer an amount of rupees 1 lakh per year into the bank account of the oldest women in India's poorest families. The payment will be made monthly, but it's an annual payment of rupees 1 lakh. Keep it in mind. Congress before also had proposed rupees 72,000 in 2019, but due to inflation, it has been pushed to rupees 1 lakh today. It will be targeted at poor household. The exact number will be finalized once we form a government in 2024, that is in the coming Lok Sabha. For those who say this will be expensive, the government claims that some people say that it's expensive, rupees 1 lakh. But the government claims that the poverty rate is just 11%. PM's favorite Surjit Bhalla claims poverty has almost disappeared. So how can the BJP claim it will be expensive? When one of the MPs says, Surjit Bhalla, who is very close to PM, he said that there is no poverty at all. It has disappeared during the regime of BJP of 10 years, during this last 10 years. But if that's so, then why nearly 80,000 people are still being given ration if there is complete poverty has been abolished? That's the question. Second guarantee that Congress government promises once we form a government, it's Adi Abadi Pura Hak. Congress will reserve 50% of new jobs in the central government for women. According to the government, All India Survey on Higher Education, that is AISHE, the proportion of female students in higher secondary schools education, the female proportion is in the year 2021-22, 48%. At graduate level, in 2021 to 2022, it is 54%. At postgraduate level in sciences, social sciences, it is 59% in social sciences and 63% in sciences. So now you can see from this that the women are coming forward, it is because our government, which was there for so many years, we have always seen to it that the ladies get a chance to study further, and now our ladies are coming in the forefront in whichever field it may be, whether it is a science, commerce, or arts, or whichever it is. And that's why now we guarantee them. In 10 years, BJP government has not done anything, but now these ladies who are coming in the forefront, we guarantee them Adi Abadi Pura Haq. We give them 50% reservation in the new jobs that may come up in the central government. Third guarantee, Shakti Ka Samman. Congress will double the central pay contribution to ASHA, Anganwadi workers, and midday meal workers. As you all know, ASHA were frontline workers during the COVID time. They worked for long hours and saved the nation during COVID, yet the remuneration that they receive is very meager, that is very less. For the development of the child and for the country's future, Anganwadi workers and midday meal workers play a very, very vital role, and therefore they deserve a better pay. Fourth guarantee that we promise, Adhikar Maitri. Congress will appoint an Adhikar Maitri in each panchayat to provide women with information about the assistance in securing the legal rights. As you all know, women are scared and are not aware of their legal rights. Women are scared to go and speak about the injustice that is done towards them. They face difficulties reporting crimes due to the fear of stigmatization or retaliation or insensitive of male policemen and lawyers. So, legal and aid and assistance and even emotional support will help them to overcome these barriers. And that's why Congress has thought that if we keep one person as a Maitri, as an Adhikar Maitri in each and every panchayat, then perhaps women will come forward and take the assistance of this Adhikar Maitri. And the last guarantee is Savitribai Phule hostels. Savitribai Phule, as you all know, she was the first female teacher in India in 1848, a social reformer and a poet. She opened the first school for girls. So Congress thought about her, and so Congress has decided in her name, in her memory, we should start Savitribai Phule hostels. Congress will double the number of working women hostels, ensuring that there is one in each district. Ladies are coming in the forefront. Ladies are facing the problem of transport, maybe of going from one place to another, and that's why Congress thought that there should be one women hostel for women working ladies in each district. The existing Sakhi Niwas scheme is underperforming, with only half the sanction, 960, built over the last 10 years. Northern and eastern states don't have only working hostels for women, practically no hostels. So today I want to bring it to your notice that Congress is the party with foresight and difference, whether it is a question of nyaya for youth, women, farmers and small businessmen. Promises, guarantees are not hollow as they are of BJP. Whatever we promise, we abide by that. So we have in the coming Lok Sabha, we are going to win with thumping majority, and we will see to it that all the ladies, all these guarantees are being fulfilled by Congress government. Now, as you all know, BJP government has been promising so many things, tom-tomming about the guarantees. While I was coming from Margao to Panjim, I saw many big boards, Modi ki guarantee. I don't understand whether it is Modi's guarantee or whether it is the BJP government's and NDA government's guarantee. Whose guarantee is it? Modi is giving the guarantee, but what about the party? We don't say it's Rahul Gandhi's guarantee or this one's guarantee or that one's guarantee. We say Congress party's guarantee. Then why these big boards are being put? Where is BJP? Where is NDA? This is my question. And as we all know that the promises that are being given by BJP and NDA during every election, take the example of Goa itself. During assembly election, they promised to give 3 cylinders. No sign of 3 cylinders. They just reduce the prices. As soon as election gets over, they increase the prices of gas and petrol and fuel, all things, even the consumable items. If Modi's guarantee, if they say Modi's guarantee, then I feel that Modi Sahab, charity begins at home. I would not like to go personal, but there are certain things which he must have promised to someone some years back. So charity begins, I hope you understand what I am hinting at. And so charity begins at home. So if it's Modi's guarantee, which he has not fulfilled. We all know that he has not fulfilled his own promises, which he must have guaranteed to someone, to one of the women years back. So if he has not fulfilled those guarantees, is there any hope that he will fulfill today the guarantees that he is promising to women? I would also like to know the promises that the Modi government made or BJP government made before elections, that 2 crore jobs would be given. No sign. They also promised that 15 lakhs would be credited in the account of each and every person. Where are those 15 lakhs? Till date, we have not received. They also promised that if you take the example of Rajasthan, in Rajasthan, when our government was there, that is Congress government was there, in Rajasthan, our chief minister from Rajasthan used to give cylinder at rupees 500, whereas all over India, the price of cylinder was 1,170 or 1,100 and above, I will say. Differs from place to place. But now, what we see is, and then immediately, BJP government during the election time of Rajasthan, they said that it will be 450. We will make cylinder at the cost. We will give cylinder at the cost of rupees 450. No, after election, they didn't give it neither at 450 nor at 500. I don't know what's the price right now, but it's not at 400 and 450 and 500. Now, same thing, 870. Similarly, in Madhya Pradesh, they said that electricity would be made half of it. Whatever electricity bills that people are getting, they would just not get the same bills, but they would just get the half of it. Immediately after the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh took over, he said, no, we are not going to make it half. So before election, they promise something. After election, they just forget about it. And that's why I want to tell my ladies, our ladies, whose number is quite big in Goa also and all over India, that it's a Congress which always gives guarantees which are not hollow, but they always try to fulfill their guarantees. Thank you. My God, every time during every press conference, this is. Excuse me. It's not that we are not coming on the roads. We have been coming on the roads. It's not being covered. When we go now, she's from KP. She had carried out the protest when it was when the prices had risen. Similarly, we had at Mapsa, we had at Kalangut, Kumbarzu also we had, and one more, Santa Cruz also we had, Marga also we had, and in Panjim also we had earlier. Now we are concentrating more on the organization, and it's not that we are not going to have, we are having it. And now again we'll have after some days. But when it is being taken, when the protest is done now, we had a very good protest in KP also. When it is being done in the various constituencies, people, press do not carry it. I hope it has not become Godi media or Pramod Sawant's media. So I don't know what is the reason. But as far as Panjim is concerned, yes, every time it has been carried by you people. Anything else?